finally arrived. I will win.
The fishing competition between the two best players in the region has officially begun.
Still waiting. The big ones swim deeper.
Nice catch.
There is still time. There is 1 hour left.
I will use the best bait.
Joy is in first place. Jack is close behind.
There isn't much time left. I will use my family's traditional fishing bait. What are you using? My last one. Give me half. It will break. Right. Hey, there's something really big here.
Joy only helped me pull it in.
Hey, wait a minute. That's my fishing rod. You grabbed mine.
Who cast the line?
I did. No, I did. I was the one, not you. Tell the truth. I am.
Until confirmed, Jack is the provisional winner.
Thank you.
Joy!
It was both of us. That is not what you told them.
You did not catch it.
I helped pull it in.
You helped. You did not hook it.
Nobody saw the start.
You did.
You could have told the truth. And lose. You already did.
Bring both rods.
That proves nothing.
Which is yours?
The double loop.
And yours.
It's exactly like Joy's hook.
Did you hook it first? Yes or no? Then who caught it?
Oh,
Joy did.
This is yours. You knew that before. Yes. I wanted to win.
You wanted me to lose.
Can I sit? I kept it.
Why?
So I remember
Remember what?
where I put it. You do not have to forgive me.
I do not. Okay? Not yet.
I do not have a rod. Use this. Wait. Mine. That one is yours.